Speed steps are the division of stop and 100% of the available program speed of a given locomotive. Larger values result in smoother control of a locomotive, so 128 speed steps will give you more precise actions, but may take longer to get to your desired speed. The standard speed steps available on decoders are 14, which is optional by the manufacturer, 28, which is mandatory by the NMRA, and 128, very common but not mandatory. Lens also allows for 27 and 55 speed steps, but is not covered by the NMRA according to DCC Wiki. You may also find that with 128 speed steps, that momentum will affect the operation differently. Now we have to talk about throttles and how your throttle can affect your speed steps. If you have a thumb scroll, such as those found on larger NCE throttles, or a standard potentiometer like on Digitrax throttles, it will take considerably more time to reach your desired speed. If you have a fixed knob that has a defined start and end point, you will have the smoother operations, but maintain the same travel of the knob to full speed, such as some of the smaller cabs from NCE and older utility throttles from Digitrax. If you're using the buttons to control speed, they will generally have two sizes of increments. The smaller of the two will usually only change one speed step at a time, taking an incredibly long time to get up to speed. But the larger incremental speed button will usually jump more speed steps at one time. This is where momentum helps, to smooth out those jumps in speed. Too much and it will take a long time to change speed. Not enough and you'll notice the jumps in speed change. Another throttle that makes great use of the 128 speed steps with momentum is the Protothrottle. This throttle is designed to operate like a prototypical engine control stand and will have 8 detents to reflect it. Each detent represents a notch and is programmed to a specific speed step assigned from the factory and can be reprogrammed by the end user. Another way to change how the speed steps will affect the operation of your locomotive is by limiting the top speed. Changing CV05, you can change the top speed. This is often done to match speeds of other locomotives. After adjusting that, you could adjust CV02 and CV06 to adjust the starting voltage and mid-range voltage of the decoder, effectively changing the speed curve and behavior of your locomotive. When you do this, be careful to take note of what changes you have made so you can backtrack if you need to. I have a video on this and will link it in the description. In the end, 128 speed steps will be smoother, but depending on your programming and throttles, may take longer to achieve. If you use 28 speed steps, you can achieve speeds faster but may not have as smooth of operations. I hope this helps for those looking into programming their decoders further. Thank you for watching Sean's Trains on YouTube.